So you are a company with a message you'd like to share with the younger generation. You know your brand needs to make an impact, and you're looking for an innovative way to do it. How? Here's where we step in. Inward Bound is a theater company specializing in working with children and youth. With 15 years of experience, we have become the go-to for youth theater. More than 50% of youth performances we produce have achieved distinctions and national competitions. Through our shows and programs, we reach out to more than 10,000 youths every year. So what can we do for you? Take this case study. The Singapore Kindness Movement commissioned us to produce a touring show to spread the message of kindness. Our method? We created an interactive musical. Through song and dance, we provoked thought by inviting audiences to take the plot to where they wanted. We presented theater as a forum, teaching participants how to change their world. Did it work? Here's what our clients said. With your message helming the show, we can take your product to the new generation. Inward Bound, inspiring connection.